So starting yesterday, we got a system message when we validate FOID cards that the FOID validation system will be down. And it'll be down depending on whether you believe the pop-up or the message itself. It'll be down between 2 p.m. Tuesday, May 20th to 7 a.m. Wednesday, May 21st, although the actual webpage says 4 p.m. Wednesday, May 21st. Now, this is a big issue because FOID cards now have no expiration date. And I would say that maybe half or more of the FOID cards that we see are the new no expiration date FOID cards. And to validate that FOID card for ammo purchases, we have to hit up the FOID validation system. That's what's going to be unavailable. So we will be unable to sell ammunition. We also can't verify eligibility on a firearm sale. Now, with the 72-hour wait, maybe we just run it when the system comes back up, if the system comes back up. There's also eFOID, which would be an electronic version of the FOID card. But it's unreasonable to expect people to know their ISP logins, et cetera, off the top of their head. Most people don't walk around with that information. We also don't know if the eFOID system will be available. Presumably, they're driven by the same underlying systems at the state police, so probably that won't be available. It's just pretty bad that we're looking at a software upgrade that's going to curtail constitutionally covered behavior. This just further undermines the case for continuing with the FOID card. This is very poorly conceived. We have notified the state police of our concerns at the highest levels, and so one would hope that they will prevail upon whoever their software engineers are to maybe do their upgrades overnight or have a side-by-side system running while they update one and keep the other in production. I'm hoping that this leads to a rational fix. I mean, this is not software upgrades are not like splitting an atom. This should be able to be accomplished overnight. And frankly, if it's a software upgrade that's going to take 28 hours to accomplish, or 26 hours to accomplish, I'm nervous about the system coming back to life after they're done with it.